Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. GX05 Earbuds. Are you tired of using those boring and mediocre wireless earbuds that sound like a tin can and lag like a snail? Or you want to level up your gaming experience with some awesome sound quality and low latency? Well, you're in luck, because GX05 Earbuds is your answer. These is the ultimate gaming earbuds with dual wireless mode that comes with 16 hours of battery life and RGB lighting effect. The GX05 earbuds are not your ordinary wireless earbuds. They have a 10mm dynamic driver with a titanium-coated diaphragm, which can produce high-resolution audio with a wide frequency range of up to 40 kHz. That means you can hear every gunshot, explosion, and footstep in crystal-clear sound. Trust me, you won't miss a thing. The Hecate GX05 earbuds, with its unique and eye-catching design, have a dual-mode connection, which means they can connect to two different devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. You can easily switch between gaming and calls without any hassle. Novium HoverPen 2.0. What if I told you that there is a pen that can defy gravity and spin in mid-air? A pen that can inspire you to write, create, and imagine. Or a pen that can make your desk look like a sci-fi movie set. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Meet the Novium HoverPen 2.0, the executive pen that defies gravity. These is not your ordinary pen. It is a masterpiece of engineering and design crafted from high-quality aluminum and zinc alloy, with a sleek and futuristic look. It has a 10mm ballpoint tip with a German Schmidt refill, which can deliver smooth and precise writing on any surface. The Novium HoverPen 2.0 has a unique feature that makes it stand out from the crowd. It can hover in midair without any electricity or wires, thanks to the perfect balance of magnetic forces and gravity. It can also spin for up to 20 seconds with a simple twist, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Kohler Digital Shower. Is showering just a routine or an experience for you? Or how about you can customize your shower settings with ease and convenience? Well, now you can with Kohler Digital Shower. These is a reimagined invention for smart showering. Kohler Digital Shower is a device that lets you control your shower with a touchscreen or a smartphone app. With these devices, you can choose from various spray outlets and patterns to suit your mood and preference. You can also adjust the temperature and flow rate with precision and accuracy. The app can be used to access and create preset shower modes that combine different settings and features. It lets you set timer, reminders, and alerts that help you save water and energy as you say goodbye to traditional knobs and switches. Now you can elevate your shower experience, as the Kohler Digital Shower allows you to set the mood with customizable lighting and music. Ascent Notebook and Pen. Do you love writing and drawing in nature? Or you want to have a device that can withstand any weather and condition? If so, you need Ascent Notebook and Pen. These is the device to help your creative writing. It is an invention that lets you write on waterproof stone paper with a space-like pen. With Ascent Notebook and Pen, you can enjoy a durable and eco-friendly writing experience. These notebook has a carbon fiber cover, a coil binding, and refillable stone paper pages, while the pen has an aerospace-grade aluminum body and a Fisher Space refill that writes in any condition. The notebook and pen also has a magnetic design that lets you store and use them together. Sparkle Tornado. On this channel we have seen a wearable neck device that can cool you. Now we're going to look at a waist device that is charged to protect you from the summer heat and sweat. Or maybe you just want to have a device that can cool you down and keep you comfortable from your waist region. The device is known as Sparkle Tornado. This device is a smart waist cooling invention. Sparkle Tornado is a device that cools your waist with 5 fans and a ring-shaped design that fits on your waist. With Sparkle Tornado, you can enjoy a gentle and effective breeze that lowers your body temperature and reduces your sweat. You can also use the app to control the device and choose from 4 modes: low, medium, high, and turbo. Whether you're gardening, exercising, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, it will be your personal oasis of coolness. Music label. In a world where music is an essential part of life, you may love playing guitar, bass, or ukulele, or you just want to improve your skills and have more fun with your instrument. Now you can with Music Label. This is the perfect device for smart music learning. Music Label is a device that turns your regular instrument into a smart instrument, with a flexible label that fits any shape and size. With Music Label, you can tune your instrument in seconds with high accuracy and low power consumption. You can also choose from different tunings and instruments using the app or the label itself. These devices enable you learn new songs and chords. You can access a huge library of songs, chords, tabs, and lyrics on the app or the label, as you can also customize your own songs and chords using the app. aquavault Charge Card. Are you always on your phone just like me? Then you know the feeling of your phone running out of battery when you're on the go. And we all wished we had a charger that is always with us and easy to use. Presenting aquavault Charge Card. Now you can charge on the move. This is the smallest and smartest portable charger ever. aquavault Charge Card is a credit card size charger that fits in your wallet and has built-in cables for both Apple and Android devices. It comes with a battery capacity of 2700 mAh and a fast charging technology that gives your phone a quick boost of power. You can also check the battery level of the charger using the LED indicator lights. From smartphones and tablets to wireless earbuds, it's your portable charging solution for all your devices. DJI Mic. Do you have a story to tell? Or you want to capture and share your voice with clarity and convenience? Then you need DJI Mic. This mic is your gateway to capturing pristine audio for your visual masterpieces. It is a compact, lightweight, and powerful wireless microphone system that delivers exceptional sound quality at distances of up to 250 meters. The transmitter provides clear, professional-level recording of vocals, ambient sounds, or musical instruments with built-in storage. With these mic, you can enjoy a high-quality and accurate transcription of your voice in real time or offline. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, content creator, or journalist, it's your audio companion for professional-grade results. Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro. You may need a mobile router that can handle the demands of 5G Wi-Fi, or you want to enjoy blazing fast speeds and reliable connectivity wherever you go. If so, you might want to check out the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro, the ultimate mobile router with dual wireless mode and 2.5G Ethernet port. The Nighthawk M6 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X65 modem system, which can deliver premium performance and groundbreaking speeds. It supports both 5G Wave and Sub-6 bands, which means you can access the fastest 5G speeds ever, up to 8 gigabits per second. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E, which can provide up to 3.6 gigabits per second of Wi-Fi speed on the latest. The Nighthawk M6 Pro has a 2.5G Ethernet port that can provide ultra-fast and reliable wired connection for your devices. You can also use the Nighthawk M6 Pro as a Wi-Fi extender and boost your Wi-Fi coverage up to 2,000 square feet. X-ray vision. What if you are looking for something, or just want to discover what's hidden behind the walls and objects around you? Or maybe you want to have a device that can give you superpowers and amaze your friends. All these are now possible with X-ray vision. These is the device for smart vision enhancement. X-ray vision is a device that lets you see through walls and objects with a pair of glasses and an app. With X-ray vision, you can enjoy a clear and realistic view of what's behind any surface or material. These device uses a special camera and a neural network to create images that match the shape, color, and texture of the hidden objects.